Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve login problem on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve login problem on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Telegram. If you find here uninstall, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.